another thing.
Yeah.
Your flooring protection, it's not gonna maintain because this is a natural wood. You would try to get at least some cardboard panels or cardboard rolls and.
Not the paper.
Not the paper.
Okay.
It's just for minor things.
Yeah. Because
It's not
protecting.
you don't want to protect your, it doesn't matter if you create another.
So it's a cardboard roll?
At least that's a or panels. The big panels.
Or the masonite panels.
Mason.
No.
Cardboard.
Yeah, like 4 by 8, like plywood panels.
Yeah.
I've been out of cardboard.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like I believe 3/16 or you can even buy the thicker ones, but.
And they come in rolls too, don't they?
Come in rolls,
Yeah.
big rolls.
Okay. That was Todd Glenn, who did that for paper?
Yeah, they purchased the paper, yeah.
It's not connected?
No, the actually the
No,
extension is not.
we connected to the extension cord.
Oh, that's fine.
You disconnect it?
Oh, use this.
Igor mentioned that our floor protection is all wrong, should be cardboard roll. 3/16, you think, around?
1/8
1/8 is
And the covered thing is this.
I've always noticed that the stick is all ripped up. I want you to buy one tomorrow to have a look at the cardboard. The key is how you
He cut one part of the tongue off, yeah, so it just kind of slides in.
got videos, you got cameras, this is a big production.
Yeah. There's no women.
That's it, it's the only thing missing.
All right.
And even if you have it like two, it's better than
Make sure that this is taken out cleanly, no tongues or stuff that sticking out, you just wanna be able to see that this is the
the part you
original
cut
edge.
off,
Yeah.
you wanna make sure you.
Yeah, so make sure this is all flush with this edge before you actually do.
So you cut it on an angle there. Yeah.
You don't wanna take too much of an angle because you're gonna
Yeah,
actually
support
take
it
this
still.
off and.
Yeah.
That's usually about 22 to 25 angle. Depends on the thickness of the wood anyway, right?
Yeah. I think all our floors are one thickness, right?
Yeah.
The two different products you use? Yeah.
No, it's, you can also put a complete full bead running along the length of the board, or you can actually just kind of dab it a little bit. But I find this to be a little bit more, it's got a bigger hold and a grab, the initial one, right?
Yeah.
It's not going to damage the integrity of the installation being a floated floor?
It's not. If you had 10 pieces glued down to one another, then it would. This one is.
Now supposing we have multiple boards that we have to replace then, as opposed to just the one.
That's usually not the
If you had
case.
4 or 5 here, I would just.
Just do the sections,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So one board is, yeah.
Yeah, I think if we were like 10 or 5, we wouldn't go through this
No,
trouble, we
no.
would do what we did. But it's the frustrating thing is it's the one board left with, like the 22nd floor.
2108 that you were talking about, yeah,
2108,
yeah.
It's just the one board in the whole suite. It's not even a full board, I think it's a. If you're replacing two boards side by side, then you're just gluing the one?
Yeah.
Yeah, the other one's right. You're taking a little bit off so you can.
Yes, so we can be sure to not damage the previous one.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna just dab a bit of glue on this one too. I recommend that you take this off completely, because again, it's got no support from underneath. And this one will be,
Yeah, bouncing.
it might actually crack altogether. Again, you want to make sure this is nice and even, nice and smooth, where nothing's sticking up.
You're putting glue on that one as well. you needed glue on that, but it's not better to have it move, it's better to just have it stay. Like, it's not good to leave some of it as floating floor, or it's okay to put glue on both sides and also.
I wouldn't recommend that, because this one's got a natural connection anyway. Nothing's broken, so.
Yeah. Hello? Hello? Yeah. On the corner of 26. Huh? Yeah, the one, yeah, I think so, it's okay. Wait, wait, okay. Yeah, play from both directions.
Yeah, it's gonna have to be gaps on the other walls.
Wow, amazing.
No, would you have to keep something heavy on that for the glue to set properly?
It's very possible, yes, but some cases, when you take the floor out, it actually kind of stiffens up from both sides. So this side hits in the middle, and there's a relief of pressure here, right? So in that way, you have to do it one by one. You never take out 3 or more.
Oh, okay, because then you don't know which
You're just using a standard two-phase tape, right?
Double-sided, yep. See something very possible that stayed behind.